Hello everyone, this is Kim from I-nstein, and I'm here to provide you with valuable insights into one of our key features, the live feed, with a particular focus on the integration of Facebook. In the live feed, you are able to see organized posts in reverse chronological order, ensuring that the most recent posts are shown up at the top, and as you scroll down, you go further back onto the channels or accounts you follow. With each post, you're able to see the time it was posted, along with its date, the interactions that come through with each post, along with the number of comments and shares. Obviously, all pictures and videos will be integrated through with each post. You are also allowed to go up here to the gear and then the follow list, look at Facebook itself. So you can see all of the accounts you follow, along with how reliable these accounts are rated, the location, the country, and along with being able to edit just any of these. You are able to also go to each post and save it as an entity. Say you find one post in particular that you want to either go back to or just want to have along for a while. It will auto-populate to the location of each of the account's posts, give you everything, all the information you need, save it as an entity. You can come up here into your data manager, and it's one of the temporary files that populates, so you can go back to at any time. Within the red folder in the live feed, you're able to go see any and all of the data within the past week, month, or 2 months. If you go look in the past 2 months, you can look at any of the counts that you have in your live feed, and you're allowed to right-click and put any of the accounts into the columns to where you can see isolated posts from one specific account. It gives you all the same functions as the live feed does, and if needed, one of the functions being translate, doing one language at a time. These words in green come from any key highlighted words that you may have input into your system to catch for you. And that is pretty much all the capabilities within here. Obviously, you can go into just this past week and have all the same functions as well. Build up a trend analysis to see how many posts are coming in from that last time period within these accounts. And basically, this streamlined interface just ensures that you can effectively manage and view any accounts in real time. And that is all. Thank you.